10th problem, given a square ABCD, let P be a point within it. So P is a point inside this square. Join PA, PB, PC, PD. We need to join all the four points with this point, that is P. What is the ratio of the areas of the red region and the green region? So in for red region we are having two triangles, PAB and triangle PCD, and the green region is having the two triangles, PBC, triangle PBC, and triangle PDA. Now let's start the solution. Since it's a square, we don't know the side of this square. Okay, so let us take the side of the square. So let the side of the square be small a. Okay, for red region, what are the squares? For triangles PAB and PCD. So let us write that. Red region consists of triangle PAB and triangle PCD, and the green region consists of triangle PBC and triangle PAD. In this we can see that AB is parallel to CD, and AB and CD both equals to the side A. Let us write that. Here we can take the perpendicular distance from P to AB, BH. That will become our height. Okay, so let us write, let the perpendicular distance of P from AB, BH, and then the perpendicular distance of P. Here I want to take from CD to P, B. See, it's already H here. Okay, so we need to subtract H from A, so it will become A minus H. From P from CD, B, A minus H. So area of triangle PAB is equals to half into base into height. Okay, area of triangle is half into base into height. Base is this side, that is A, and height is H. So this will be the area of the first triangle, and area of the triangle PCD, half into base is A again, and height is A minus H. Now we need to find the total area of the red region. So total red area, we need to add this. So half into A into H plus half into A minus H. Here if we take out half and A common, we will get H plus A minus H. So H cancel, so we will get half into A, that is A square. So this is the area. Now similarly we need to do for the green region. For green region, from here, from P to BC, I want to take it as Y. So the remaining height will be a minus y, and you know the base is a. So let us do that. Similarly, we will take the perpendicular distance, okay, from BC to PBY, and from AD to P is a minus y. Now area of triangle PBC. So what it will be? It is half into a into height, that is y, and area of triangle PDA. So PDA, that will become half into a into, it will be a minus y. We need to find out the total area of the green region. So let us write, so total area of green region. So let us add this, half into a into y plus half into a into a minus y. So here we are going to get half and a common. So we got y plus a minus y, plus y minus y cancel. Half into a is a square. So if you see, or if you observe, you can see that the red area is half a square and the green area is also half a square. Both are same. So here we can write, therefore red area is equals to green area. Now we can write the ratio. Hence the required ratio is red region is to green region. Both are same, so since it will become 1:1.